Hello folks, welcome back to Diecast Bug. To the thumbnail and the title, it must be very clear. It's one of the most, in fact, I would say the most luxurious SUV available in the market from the house of Rolls-Royce, which makes most luxurious car in the market, as well as aero engines. So let's start with the unboxing. This is going to be a special one, so stay tuned till the last. It's as good as opening a expensive Rolex or any other luxurious watch. I've been waiting for this model for quite some time, and this is very rare. There's 149 of these babies are on the market all around the world. The box in itself is extremely heavy with the beautiful Rolls-Royce logo. Because of the huge size of the box, I'm just standing up and showing the whole unboxing for a better visual. Wow, this is so bloody stunning, so stunning. The fill of the box is really good. As I told you earlier, it looks like this is a soft touch material, just like what you find in very expensive luxury watch boxes. This is a quite big watch, a big box. It's a very big box. You can see Rolls-Royce logo and very beautiful shiny golden color, and here you can see Rolls-Royce motor cars. So this is a licensed product. Let's open the real deal. Abracadabra. Okay, so there is a box inside the box. Let's just have a quick look at this certificate of authority 58 of the 149 models. Here we certify that this 1:18 Rolls-Royce Cullinan in Aquila with silver satin bonnet finish, which is an authentic replica of the real vehicle. This product is strictly limited to 149 pieces. So that's quite rare. Right, so here we go. Let me clear the thermocol coming off the box. Okay, so here it is packed very well. Delicate piece of art and engineering. So here we have the real car in all its glory in the flesh. What a beautiful glittering red color. that this car is made of. So beautiful, superb. It's very awesome looking. They have provided this door opener alongside the box. Because inside the box we have the sunroof, and I'll show you other details very soon. Let me take off the gloves so that I can open the doors and all the parts very easily. So this looks like a black badge kind of a car. It's not exactly black badge, because in a black badge Cullinan, the black badge version of the Cullinan, the alloys are right like this. They're exactly like this, and just like the authentic car, the real car, the symbolic Rolls-Royce logo, it does not move with the rims. It's stagnant. Looks beautiful. Let me show you a bit closer. Beautiful looking. The rear section is also so beautiful, very boldly mentioned in the nameplate, number plate, Cullinan. And here we have a small piece of thermocol on the vehicle. Nice. So here the Spirit of Ecstasy is missing because it's over here in the small packet that they've provided. Let me open it with bare hands. Let's check what do we have in here. So we have the cover for the Spirit of Ecstasy. Front is shut, and here is the actual Spirit of Ecstasy, and two umbrellas. Isn't it beautiful looking? It's very heavy. It's a very well put together car. It's not lightweight or any ways. It's really heavy. It's roughly below 1.5 to 2 kgs, probably more. And we have got movable suspensions. So this is as intricate as it can get, because all the doors or everything opens up. So I'll just show you, even the sunroof, as I mentioned earlier. So the sunroof is also openable. Let's do that one by one. So here we have the suicide doors, the very signature Rolls-Royce suicide doors. Wonderful looking. Even the seats, they move around. Let me just try. Yes, they do move, as you can see. This is a very little detail that you may enjoy. The doors also heavy. It's a good thud when you shut the door. Wow. And this side view mirrors, ORV arms, also you can open up like this. Yeah, this is the maximum that it can go. So let's open the engine. Let's open the hood, the bonnet of the car. There's a small little lever down here to open the bonnet. We'll just push it upwards, and yes, it gives us a bit access to have a look at the engine. Beautiful. The hinges are very good quality. The hinges are of very good quality. The engine looks very true to the real car. I'll upload photographs for very good understanding and visuals. superbly crafted car. And the maker of this particular model, although it's not mentioned anywhere in the box, or even if you see the beneath the car, underneath the car, you don't see any name. You just see made in China, 1:18, and Royce Cullinan, and the underneath of the car is beautifully made, especially the rear section, the silencer, the exhaust pipe running through the engine, beautiful looking. And there's no mention of the manufacturer of this beautiful model, which is such a shame. I mean, the name of the manufacturer should be mentioned. This is a licensed product, so the credit should go to the real company which actually made this particular model car with the help of Rolls-Royce, because Rolls-Royce has to share all the specifications and the size of the car in order so that they can make a car which is true to the real car in the exact scale. And here you can see the Rolls-Royce logo very neatly and very clearly shown. So as per sources, this is made by Kang 5. I'm not very sure, but the sources are reliable. It's made by Kang 5. The quality matches with what the kind of model cars that they make. It's beautifully done. Let's open up the boot of the car. Okay, it's a two-way boot, as you must be knowing, in the real car, just like the real car. Let me just switch on this flash so that you can have a good look at the boot of this car. This is the second section which opens up like this. Here also we have very good quality hinges. There's nothing inside. It would have been good if we had some Rolls-Royce badged baggage inside, but that's not the case here. But I'm just nitpicking, there is nothing to complain. It's a beautifully crafted car. I'm in love with this model. I mean, it's so beautiful, so true to the real car. I have to be very careful while shutting it. It's delicate. You cannot be hard on this model at all. It's very delicate. So here we have the dual exhaust, quad exhaust in fact, not in dual. And this is the first Rolls-Royce, 4-wheel drive Rolls-Royce, and the first SUV from them. The grille is also of very good quality. Superb. I'm finding it very difficult to find any flaw in this particular iteration of the model. I have been able to shut the sunroof successfully, and it is openable as I showed you earlier. Wow, so satisfying to have a movable and a working it's so satisfying to have a movable sunroof in your diecast model. Makes it more real, more true. Excuse the fingerprints because I wanted to touch and feel the car. It's easier to show. The brake calipers, they are also red. They are so shiny and beautiful. Movable. With the steering, they move with the steering. What is there to complain? I mean, and yes, yeah, one important thing I cannot miss this. I have to put the umbrellas at their right spot. So there are two sections where we can put in this Rolls-Royce badged umbrella, and the badging is not very clear. It's a simple normal plasticky umbrella. Just have to tuck in over here. Nice. Even the speaker system is shown very well. The detailing on the doors also so beautifully done. very true to the real car. So beautiful looking. It's fantastic. Highly intricate and detailed model. I'm so in love with this model. Okay, the umbrella has got stuck. Let me just tuck in properly. Okay, now it's inside. The headlights, the tail lamps, everything looks fantastic. I mean, if I picturize it in a better way, one may be deceived that this is a real car or a model car. That's how true it is. Even see the parking sensor, little tiny details. That is all that matters, right? God lies in details. The red ADAS sensor, everything is so beautifully depicted and brought in this car. Beautiful, highly luxurious. I've got nothing to complain, absolutely nothing to complain about the model. There is not a single part, not a single area where I can actually complain. The alloy wheels are also very beautiful, superb looking. The badging, everything is true. And unlike racing cars, here you can have and enjoy the full detail of the car. You can have a very good look at the engine area. You can have a good look at the boot. You can have an excellent view of the interiors of the car, which are done in the best manner possible. So I've got nothing to complain. This is a complete 10 on 10 car. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy the kind of videos that I upload. So do like if you enjoyed the video, and share with your car enthusiast friends who have similar kind of liking towards cars and the automobiles. Hope you like the video. Kindly share this video with your car enthusiast friends, and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring the love of cars more frequently. Keeps me motivated. And yeah, ciao. Thank you for watching. We'll catch up in the next video. Bye-bye.